Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Bada bim, bada boom, Rastafari stone, yeah man. Early in the morning, me rise with light. Birds them a sing and me heart feel right. Me step outside, barefoot on the ground. Nature a guide every sacred sound. Me gather herb from the roots me grow. Me burn a chalice, me spirit flow. In a silence, me start to pray. Give thanks for life every single day. Urban harmony, balance divine. The soul aligning, just sunshine. Call of the ancients in a the breeze. Me feel them whisper in a the trees. Urban harmony, one meditation in a this chant. We find salvation, no rush, no fight. Just breathe and song. In a Jah presence me belong. Me walk through hills where me elders trod. Them teach we about the power of Jah and God. The plant a heal and the rhythm a guide. Oh, we no need no riches we feel alive. Me sit by the fire with Naya bingy beat. Drum echo heart and earth beneath me feet. Me reason deep with me string true. Love and life is all we do. Me nah look west, me nah look east. Me look within, feel find me peace. Meditation deep like ocean tide. Me find the eye, me ego hide. Me trod slow, but me vision high. Me smoke a draw and me touch the sky. Each herb leaf a ancient code. Me travel far, but me heart stay home. Urban harmony, wisdom sound. Me chant with heart till truth be found. Call of creation, voice of light. Me feel it strong in a full moon night. Urban harmony, no disguise, just Rasta way, no Babylon lies. We nah go run, we stand up firm. Each session a blessing, each moment we learn. Me children laugh, them run and play. Me teach them love in a roots man way. Me woman strong, she hold the fire. She chant and drum with righteous desire. We plant together, we reap with grace. No vanity in a this sacred space. Just music, healing, food and song. Me know in Zion we all belong. So light your spliff and breathe real slow. Let go the stress, just let love grow. The universe hear every sound you send. And every journey of a holy end. Urban harmony, life and drum. Me chant until that kingdom come.
Na, down by the riverside. Smoke spliff, yeah man. Me sit by the river, calm and wide. Me hear the rhythm, me feel the tide. Each ripple speak in a sacred code. Like ancient drum beat, like secret road. The herb a burn low, me eyes them close. Me spirit float where the wisdom grows. No worry now, no Babylon sound. Just roots and healing all around. River inna the mind flow, sweet and slow. Take me where only true ones go. Wash me clean from pain and lie. Lift me high in a Jah sky. River inna the soul, cool and deep. Carry me dream into conscious sleep. One drop, one thought, one prayer rise. Me see me truth with open eyes. Me smoke a draw for the clarity. Me feel Jah love like melody. No preacher fi tell I what real. Me find the message me heart can feel. The mango fall, the breeze it sing. Me joy no come from material thing. Me joy grow from silent days. Me chant alone, me soul give praise. Me nah rush, me nah run race. Me walk with peace and Jah grace. Me tread slope and healing earth. Each step remind me of my worth. Me mind a garden, me thoughts a seed. Me water them with what I need. Ganja plant, sun and rain. Grow me life out of struggle and pain. River inna the mind flow, sweet and slow. Take me where only real vibes go. Wash me from the fear and fight. Shine me soul like morning light. River in a heart so calm and true. Every drop a word from you. Me reason with me higher self. Me realize Jah is me wealth. Me meet me brethren under fig tree shade. We pass the chalice, vibes get laid. We reason long bout love and soul, bout dreams and fire and staying whole. No competition in a this life, just balance healing, no strife. Me share me fruits, me share me song. Me know Jah bless where I belong. So if you're stressed and things get tight, come to the river, embrace the light. Let go the nights, the fast, the blind. Come find the river in your mind. Smoke a draw and just be still. Jah guide you with him holy will. River in the mind, Zion call. One love eternal, rise and fall.
Bada bing, bada boom, Rastafari, sip coconut and rum. One spliff light up, me mind take flight. Early in the morning before daylight. Me sip me tea, me feel so free. With nature around, that's liberty. Me not chase gold, me chase no fame. Me chase connection, me call Jah name. Me see the world through herb-filled eyes. Truth in a smoke, no disguise. One spliff, one love, one heartbeat. Roots run deep where desire meet. Meditation on the hilltop breeze. Rhythm of the earth bring I'm and peace. One spliff, one love, no fear. Jah voice echo when the path unclear. We chant down stress, we chant down pain. With urban rhythm, we rise again. The city fast, but I'm on slow. Me spirit whisper, time fi grow. Me trad with drum, not digital noise. Me heart still beat with Rasta man voice. Ganja light, fi the wisdom flame. In a Babylon, them play mind games. But I and I now play that role. Me free from chain, me know me soul. Babylon can't cage a lion. Me roar loud like Mount Zion. Me burn down lies with herbal truth. Me roots firm, me plant from youth. Me vision clear like the sky above. Me walk with purpose, me walk with love. The herb connect, the stars and I. Me rise with sun, me fly so high. One spliff, one love, one direction. Me step in a light full of protection. Meditation pan sacred sound. Rasta wisdom all around. One spliff, one breath, no rush. Nature teach me, life don't hush. So me burn the stress and hold the vibe. Reggae heal the world, worldwide. Me reason with the elders under mango tree. Them tell stories of Jah and unity. Me youth them gather round fi listen. Me words like fire, holy mission. Me not preach hate, me preach uplift. Me words a gift, Jah bless me lips. From roots to crown, me grounded strong. Me sing the truth, me chant it long. So when the world feel cold and rough, me light me spliff, and that's enough. One spliff, one love, me mantra stay. Me walk with Jah every day. Me carry the flame of ancient man. Me chant for peace, me overstand. From sunrise to the moon above, me hold it steady. One spliff, one love, right away.
Ay, 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 my Rasta family. It's time to make history. Oh, me stand on the shore, me watch the tide. Babylon wall soon can't hide. The ocean whisper secret plan. Wash the chains from every man. Them build fence pon the land and sea. But nature laughs, say you can't trap me. Them count dollar, me count star. Them chase power, me go far. Me say every voice matter, every beat count. When truth rise up, can't hold it down. Them say sit quiet, know your place. But me drum talk loud in a them face. Every river run to the ocean. Every heart carry revolution potion. Me now wait, me not delay. Tidal wave come wash them away. Tidal wave of freedom rise. Underneath Jah open skies. Break the chain, break the lie. Time for Babylon fi say goodbye. Tidal wave sweep the shore. Truth knock on every door. From Africa to faraway isle. Revolution in a every smile. Me say fi the youth them hungry fi light. Me chant songs fi guide them nights. No school teach what elders know. Me pass the wisdom so it grow. Them take we culture, them take we song. Remix it wrong fi play along. But me come with the roots so pure. Me lyrics heal, me music cure. Them can't bribe me with fame or deal. Me heart firm like Jah steel. Them media twist, them camera lie. But me spirit can't comply. Me ride the wave with every verse. Me chant blessing, me chant curse. Fi shake the system to its core. Open up every locked door. Every elder tell me tale. Oh, Babylon try but always fail. Me step strong, me walk proud. Me voice a wave, me chant loud. Tidal wave of freedom rise. Underneath Jah open skies. Break the chain, break the lie. Time for Babylon fi say goodbye. Tidal wave sweep the shore. Truth knock on every door. From Africa to faraway isle. Revolution in a every smile. The moon pull tide, the people rise. We not fooled by sweet disguise. From ghettos to the hills so high. The chant echo in a night sky. Me see artist, me see sage. Every voice a light fi stage. Me not come with hate or war. Me come with truth, me come with star. Them can't silence what Jah create. Me voice ordained fi liberate. Me nah need no gun, no blade. Me word sharp and me lyrics parade. So me say when Babylon sink below, the tidal wave still glow. A light for the youth, a guide for the old. A story of freedom forever told. Zion echoes, ride the wave. Carry the flame.
Zion smoke higher in the jungle.
The system tremble when me step in. Me words sharp like lightning. Them say behave, me say never. Me fight for truth, me fight for ever. Them tell we vote, but all them lie. Me say look Babylon in a eye. From ghetto corner to uptown high. The rebel wave rise like the tide. Me say the youth them wake now. Brainwash can't hold them down. Me say the elders chant still. Rebel fire can't kill. We not slave, we not fool. Me say Jah give we the real tool. Me say love, me say rage. Me say open your mind cage. Wave of rebels sweep the land. Me say strong heart, me say strong hand. The Babylon wall can't stand. We come together, Jah command. Wave of rebels from shore to shore. The youth cry out no more, no more. Me say rise up, me say stand tall. Me say chant down Babylon wall. The media blindfold the truth, but me lyrics reach the youth. Me say school not teach survival. Me say read, grow your vital. Them put camera on every street, but me say soul them can defeat. Me walk with lion in a me chest. Me na bow, me give me best. Me say hustle for freedom, not gold. Me say carry the story untold. Me say dance under the moonlight. Celebrate love, celebrate right. Me say with the wave, with the storm. Rebel heart break every norm. From sound system to mountain top. Me say rebel music can't stop. Boom, me feel it rise. Rebel fire like the skies. Them can't block the movement, no. It come like river overflow. Me say the beat inside me bone. Every street me call it home. Me say all hands come near. The rebel wave can't disappear. Sweep the land. Me say strong heart, me say strong hand. The Babylon wall can't stand. We come together, Jah command. Wave of rebels from shore to shore. The youth cry out no more, no more. Me say rise up, me say stand tall. Me say chant down Babylon wall. Me say from Africa to Caribbean. The rebel song reach every man. The youth rise up, the system shake. This wave of love not fake. Me say unity, me say voice. Me say freedom is a choice. Me say break chain, me say build. Me say teach love to the child. No more war, no more greed. Me say plant hope, grow seed. Me say rebel heart over fear. Me say truth echo everywhere. Wave of rebels we roll on. Me say till the break of dawn. Me say chant, me say fight. Me say rebel light shine bright.
Zion echoes, ay, ay, ay. It's go shock time, oi, oi, oi. Ganja burning, feeling fine. In the air, the rhythm flow. Jah guide we, let the spirit grow. Me step in the dawn, morning glow. Sunrise, watch the fire show. Velarka by my side, him light the spliff. We chant the truth, no need for shift. Me know the way, me know the vibe. Jah teachings keep me alive. Roots run deep like the old sound. Me chant the rhythm, me stand me ground. Rising from the roots, we burn the fire. Jah's love will lift us higher and higher. Through the the struggle, through the pain, we rise again, we break the chain. Rising from the roots, we burn the fire. Feel the rhythm, heart's desire. With the herbs, we find the truth. In the reggae, we live the youth. Babylon a try, but we stand tall. We rise above them lies and fall. The bassline thunders in the streets. In every step, we feel the beat. Me take the herb, me meditate. Find the peace, me elevate. Me vision clear, me journey true. Me walk the path, just set for we two. Rising from the roots, we burn the fire. Jah's love will lift us higher and higher. Through the struggle, through the pain, we rise again, we break the chain. Rising from the roots, we burn the fire. Feel the rhythm, heart's desire. With the herbs, we find the truth. In the reggae, we live the youth. Me see the stars, me feel the light. Jah's blessings shine so bright. With the smoke, me fly so free. Reggae sound, I carry me. Me chant the rhythm, me sing the song. In Jah's love, we all belong. Together we rise, together we fight. In the power of the herb we take flight. Rising from the roots, we burn the fire. Jah's love will lift us higher and higher. Through the struggle, through the pain, we rise again, we break the chain. Rising from the roots, we burn the fire. Feel the rhythm, heart's desire. With the herbs, we find the truth. In the reggae, we live.
Ragamuffin soldier, yeah man. Me wake up with the sunrise gold. In the hills, just story told. Me sip ital, me eyes them low, but me mind fly high like rivers flow. One draw off the spliff, me soul ignite. Me vision bright, in a peaceful light. No rush, no noise, just breeze and trees. Me grounded deep, like ancient sea. Smoke and silence, that's me prayer. Me find me strength, in the clean cool air. Herbal healer, bring me near to Jah voice, so crystal clear. Me nah need crowd, me nah need show. Just earth and rhythm, and roots fi grow. Smoke and silence, balance me soul. In a that moment, me feel whole. Me walk barefoot on sacred ground. Me hear the universe in every sound. Bird a sing, tree a sway. Me chant praises every day. Me nah judge, me nah fight. Me just burn the chalice in the moonlight. Meditation strong like lion roar. Me heart beat steady to Jah's core. One love in a each breath me take. Me feel alive when the morning break. Herb open me mind like gateway key. Me spirit dance like waving sea. Me reason with me inner self. Me wealth for peace, not paper wealth. Smoke rise like incense true. Me give thanks for life anew. Smoke and silence, healing vibe. Me ride the rhythm, me nah hide. No take no screen, just nature speak. Fi wisdom deep, me humbly seek. Me burn me spliff, fi open door to realms unseen, to I man core. Smoke and silence, that's the way. Me live me truth each blessed day. Me teach me youth, fi calm them mind, fi trod a path that Babylon blind. Me plant herb tree with loving hand. Me cultivate life pan Jaja land. No war, no worry, no mental chain. Just peace like cool and cleansing rain. Me sit with elders, chanting a line. Me elevate soul through ganja sign. So if the world feel heavy and low, come in a Zion, echoes flow. Smoke a draw, sit in peace. Let the pressure and pain release. Me not lost, me fully aware. Me soul connect in the mountain air. Smoke and silence, me guidance high. One love forever, till the day my fly shoe.
Ay ay ay, Kalikush inna the paper. Yeah man. Inna the city where the light blind, me walk through Babylon, clear me mind. Them build up wall, me break it down. Them say me fool, me say me crown. The roots run deep inna me soul. From the elder story to the drum roll. Them want we blind by glitter and gold. But me say truth, me nah be sold. Me say ghetto youth rise up strong. Know your power, know your song. Them sell illusion on every screen. But me say life, nah play machine. Me say rebel from me heart. Nah play no puppet part. Me say Babylon your time short. Me say revolution a art. Roots of rebellion hear me call. From the slum to the kingdom hall. We nah kneel, we nah fall. We rise up, one and all. Roots of rebellion, feel the fire. Lift your voice, lift it higher. We nah go back, we nah tire. Jah people blaze like a choir. They say every youth a warrior breed. Plant your mind like righteous seed. Them tell lie in the news feed. But me say action over greed. Me say grandmother wisdom still alive. Teach we how fi work and thrive. Them want control, me say break chain. Dance in a sunshine, dance in a rain. Me say every system must fall. The bigger the tower, the harder the call. Me say unity in every block. From Kingston straight to Bangkok. Can you hear the drum beat rise? Can you feel it shake the skies? Can you see the people wise? Jah love open up your eyes. Me say no more fear, me say no more cage. Me say youth man step on stage. Me say chant it loud, me say make your mark. Me say light it up from dark. Roots of rebellion hear me call. From the slum to the kingdom hall. We nah kneel, we nah fall. We rise up, one and all. Roots of rebellion, feel the fire. Lift your voice, lift it higher. We nah go back, we nah tire. Jah people blaze like a choir. Me say Babylon crumble when we unite. Me say one love, one aim, one fight. Them say divide, me say connect. Them say reject, me say respect. Me say Mother Earth cry out loud. Me say lift the veil, drop the shroud. Them can't stop the reggae wave. Me say sound system set the brave. Me say the rhythm of me weapon strong. Me say me spirit a dancehall song. Me say keep your head up, never bow. The time for justice I know. Roots of rebellion, it can't die. Me say truth spread across the sky. Me say from the roots to the fruit. Jah people stand firm in truth.
Zion echo.
Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensi breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that kush, me no carry no hate. High grade me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensi breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that kush, me no carry no hate. Give me the ganja, the Cali gold, the OG kush where the wise man hold. Me plant me seed in the Jaja soil. For every little youth where ya work and toil. Babylon try fi lock with chain, but the herb a free up, ease me brain. Light up the spliff, make me talk to Jah. Me spirit high, like a shooting star. Heard me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensi breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that push, me no carry no hate. High grade me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensi breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that push, me no carry no hate. Me walk on the street with me herb in hand. Sativa make me strong like the roots in a the land. Me no care where Babylon want fi say. Jaja herb bless the night and day. With the green crack me a blaze for sure. Me heart feel clean, me spirit pure. Every little puff make me rise up high. Jah love surround me, me can't deny. Purple haze are the remedy. Wake up me soul, me energy. Me no deal with negativity. I love we share universally. So pass me the chalice, me light the flame. Call pan Jaja, chant his name. Me no need riches, me no need fame. Herb inna me heart, the truth remain. Hide when me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensi breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that push, me no carry no hate. High grade me say me a meditate. From Kingston Yard to the pearly gate. Sensi breeze it a levitate. Me a bun that push, me no carry no hate. Zion roots, ay ay ay. In Jahs Garden the flowers grow. With every seed a future show. Through the herbs Jah's truth we know. Jahs Garden let the blessings flow. In Jahs Garden the flowers grow. With every seed a future show. Through the herbs, Jah's truth we know. Jahs Garden, let the blessings flow. Me walk through Jahs Garden, see the fruits so sweet. Every plant grows strong from the earth beneath. The herbs are healing, the flowers are peace. In Jah's creation, our joys increase. Me touch the soil, me soul align. In Jahs Garden, love divine. We rise in unity, we fight the fight. Jahs Garden guide us through the night. With each step, the world unfold. In Jahs Garden, we never grow old. Me harvest the seeds from the earth so true. In Jahs Garden, we make garden new. The herbs, the fruits, the life inside. With Jah's love, we need not hide. In Jahs Garden, the flowers grow. With every seed, a future show. Through the herbs, Jah's truth we know. Jahs Garden, let the blessings flow. In Jahs Garden, the flowers grow. With every seed, a future show. Through the herbs, Jah's truth we know. Jahs Garden, let the blessings flow.
people, their faces so bright. Jahs Garden gift, the purest light. In the rhythm of life, in the dance of the sun, we free our soul, we feel so fun. Me give thanks every day for Jah's reign. Through the earth, we end the pain. With Jah by my side, our love combined. Me walk in Jah's Garden, forever divine. In Jah's Garden, we live the truth. Feed the elders and the youth. In the garden of Jah, we're free and whole. In Jah's Garden, we save the soul.
Zion roots, Kingston cushion at the paper. Whoa, whoa, yeah. We free, just set my spirit free. Through the trials of life, we living in unity. We free, with the herbs and the beat. Rasta movement rise, can't nobody defeat. Me walk this earth with the light of Jah. Me feel the fire burning, me no need no law. Me heart liberated, me soul unchained. In the truth of Rastafari, no fear remained. We come from the struggle, from the pain, but Jah keep us strong, give we wisdom fi gain. In every storm, Jah hold us tight. In Jah's name, me shine the light. From the smoke of the herbs to the songs we sing, we free like the birds, we fly on wings. Through the chains of oppression, through the force of the beast, we rise as one, find the greatest peace. We speak the truth, the message clear. In every Jah's fire, we have no fear. Rasta people unite, together we stand. In Jah's love, in Jah's land, no Babylon system can crush the sound. In Jah's glory, we truly found. We free, just set me spirit free. Through the trials of life, we living in unity. We free, with the herbs and the beat. Rasta movement rise, can nobody defeat. In Jamaica's breeze, me feel the peace. Through Jah's blessings, all pain cease. From the island breeze to the dancehall beat, Rasta army march to the heart's heartbeat. The herbs are flow, the knowledge increase. We stand together in love and peace. From the city street to the country wide, we free in Jah's love, no need to hide. Through the fire of the heart, the soul awake. No looking back, only forward we make. Through the storm we survive, we see the truth. In Jah's spirit, me feel the youth. Me no need to be told, me no need to be free. Jah's love is the answer for all me to see. We free, just set me spirit free. Through the trials of life, we living in unity. We free, with the herbs and the beat. Rasta movement rise, can nobody defeat.
Yeah, more Rastafari and brother is so high. Me rise up strong with Lionheart. From the ghetto where the struggle start. Them say me small but me carry weight.
Me words a break down Babylon gate. Them spread division, me spread love. Them say control, me say rise above. Them push poison, me plant seed. Them say profit, me say people need. Me say no chain pa me thought. Me say free mind can be bought. Them say bow, me say stand. Me say hold firm with your hand. Me say chant for the youth and the corner. Me say bless the mother and the farmer. Me say build bridge, me say break wall. Me say lift up every soul that fall. Lionheart Anthem me roar. Break down system to the core. Nah fear no shadow, nah fear no man. Me march in a truth with Jah plan. Lionheart Anthem me sing. Freedom song let it ring. Across the land, across the sea. Lionheart rise for victory. Me say me walk through the fire, but me nah burn, me rise higher. Them say me mad, me say me free. Them lock door, me finding key. Me say no slave to the digital chain. Me say no vice fi Babylon gain. Me say me dance pan concrete ground. Me say shake up system with sound. Me say teach the youth fi think clear. Nah follow hype, nah follow fear. Me say every youth a lion strong. Me say beat drum sing the song. Them say hush, me say loud. Them say last, me say proud. Me say lion out in every chest. Me say give the poor man best. Can you feel the thunder roll? Can you hear Jah call the soul? Me say rise up, me say unify. Me say we nah go bow, we nah comply. Me say burn down illusion fast. Me say build up love that lasts. Me say me nah stray from the path. Me say me hold tight Jah craft. Lionheart Anthem me roar. Break down system to the core. Nah fear no shadow, nah fear no man. Me march in a truth with Jah plan. Lionheart Anthem me sing. Freedom song let it ring. Across the land, across the sea. Lionheart rise for victory. Me say no more silence in a street. Me say the heartbeat sound complete. Me say me carry ancestors a cry. Me say rebel till the day me die. Me say every verse a revolution. Me say every chorus a solution. Me say uplift every fallen one. Me say remind them Jah kingdom come. Me say the fire blaze in a me vein. Me say dance away the pain. Me say chant from sun to moon. Me say rebel song coming soon. Lionheart rise now retreat. Me say love conquer every beat. Me say we not stop, we not fade. Me say Babylon wall can't shade.
Zion roots. Moonberry in my pocket. Yeah man. On the mountain peak where the silence sing, behold Jah herb, feel the spirit within. The cool breeze whisper the ancient truth. Herb in me and the eternal root. Me gaze upon the stars, Jah guide and shine. Every puff a journey to the divine. The chalice blaze in the sacred glow. Mountain herb prayer make the blessings flow. Oh Jah, hear me champ on high with the herb in and under Zion sky. Mountain prayer rise, make the spirit free. Sacred herb chant for eternity. The elders gather with wisdom wise. The herb make the soul reach Jah's skies. The mountain hold the secret of time. Every leaf a key to the holy rhyme. Them try to destroy, but Jah herb grow. Through the hardest ground, the roots still show. Babylon can't stop what Jah create. The herb make the humble elevate. Pass the chalice round, make the fire light.
Herb meditation in the heart of night. The mountain echo, the holy refrain. Herb chant make the wicked restrain. Oh Jah, hear me chant on high with the herb in hand under Zion sky. Mountain prayer rise, make the spirit free. Sacred herb chant for eternity. Forever me climb the heights unseen. Mountain herb prayer keep me spirit clean. Jah guide my path with the sacred flame. Forever chanting Jah holy names. Kiss me face, rebel fire run through me base. Them say calm down, but me say no way. Me lyrics sharp like a lion, pray them. Build a system fi mash we flat, but me spirit rise like coconut tree top. Me say Babylon push, but me push back. Me heart beat heavy like a thunderclap. The youths on the corner say life hard. Me tell them youth you a true yard guard. Me say nah get lost in a vanity. Me say hold tight to humanity. Me say rebel fire blaze the night. Me say chant the psalms, hold the light from Kingston Street to Addis Ababa. Me say Jah warriors now wear Prada. Rebel fire inna me veins, burn out Babylon chains. Me say free your mind, free your soul. Rebel fire take control. Rebel fire rise and dance. Me say this year the rebel chants from ghetto lane to uptown heights. Rebel fire light up the night. Me walk through shadow, me fear no man. Me hold Jah hand, me stand strong. Them say me crazy, them say me wild, but me say me just Jah child. Them sell illusions on a silver screen, but me say me live fi what is seen. Me say me look in your eye, me see pain. Me say me sing until you break the chain. Me say one love, me say one aim. Me say nah play no Babylon game. Me say roots deep in the soil. Me say rebel soul, me nah spoil. Them try fi silence me song, but the melody too strong. Me say beat the drum, beat the bass. Me say bring the truth in a Babylon face. Me say lion roar in a the town. Me say break the walls, break them down. Me say youth rise up, take your stand. Me say free your heart, free your land. Rebel fire inna me veins, burn out Babylon chains. Me say free your mind, free your soul. Rebel fire take control. Rebel fire rise and dance. Me say this year the rebel chants from ghetto lane to uptown heights. Rebel fire light up the night. Me say me nah stop till justice come. Me say me beat the rebel drum. Me say the elders say hold the line. Me say me chant for the deaf and blind. Me say the mountain high
me not afraid. Me say Babylon shade can't feed me blade. Me say love your neighbor, love your brother. Me say we walk through stormy weather. Me say build back the village strong. Me say sing one world, one song. Me say roots rock, reggae flow. Me say rebel fire make the garden grow. Rebel fire nah go dim. Me say chant your freedom hymn from morning sun to evening moon. Rebel fire light up the tune.
Zion echoes, oh Jah, me call upon your name. Inna the dark, your light still remain. We walk through the valley, me not feel no pain. Me know you're there near, your blessings are rain. Me see the struggle pon my brethren face. Them a fight for survive in a Babylon place. System a wicked, them not show no grace. But me hold me faith, me nah lose me pace. Jah guide me, keep me firm. Show me the lesson, make me learn. Me nah go stray, me nah go turn. From the fire, me soul still burn. Me remember the days when me never have none. Dear hungry nights, me can't see the sun. Them lock off the water, them take away the light. Yet me still give thanks for the breath in me lungs. Them tell me fi bow, them tell me fi run. But me know say Jah work never left undone. The wicked a plot, but them plan can't last. Me hold me meditation, me future can't crash. Jah guide me way, me now walk alone. Even in the storm, me heart still strong. Through the trials and the pain, Jah make me stand. Me put me trust in the most high hand. Jah guide me way, me rise each day. Me chant psalms, me kneel and pray. Though Babylon fight, them can't take me soul. Jah carry me through, me reach me goal. Me say money can't buy salvation. Me nah sell out for the plantation. Me prefer walk with Jah whole meditation. Chant psalms and hold the vibration. Them want see we fall, but we rise up tall. With love in our heart, we a break them wall. We nah go stop, we a chant it all. Righteousness are the final call. Me see me brethren them straight on the road. Some a sell them soul, some a carry heavy load. Me tell them hold the faith, never lose control. Jah they a him a take full patrol. Me know say the journey rough and wild, but Jah shine him light pon the little child. Me nah go fear, me nah go hide. Jah dey pon me left and me right hand side. No matter how them try fi test me, Jah bless me, them can't oppress me. Me stand pon the rock so them can't contest me. Chant the holy words, them can't dispossess me. Them plan up a scheme, but Jah crush the dream. Truth and rights are the only regime. We are stepping at the light pon the righteous team. Me say rise up the youths, make them self-esteem. Jah guide me way, me now walk alone. Even in the storm, me heart still strong. Through the trials and the pain, Jah make me stand. Me put me trust in the most high hand. Jah light shine bright in me soul. No matter how the journey unfold, we are march to the promise, never lose control.
Oh yes, Zion echo, brighter than a reef on the RASTA way. Hey. Herbal blessings flow, it guide we every day. Pass this chalice round, make the fire ignite. Still I see I bless under moonlight with me northern lights. Me a travel far, the herb From the blueberry fields to the Cali sun, the herb make the warriors of Jah kingdom strong. Babylon a crumble, them can't take the gift. Ganja bring wisdom, it make the heart lift. The skunk make me cool, the OG make me wise. Herb a the connection to Jah blue skies. Roll it up tight, pass the vibes around. Rasta man chant to the herbal sound. Pass the spliff to the left, make the circle grow. Herb a the answer for the peace we know. The smoke rise high, with Jah it align. Meditation deep, the spirit divine. Herbal blessings, it flow like the river. One puff Jah love, make me soul deliver. High grade ganja, it rise to the sky. Rasta burn the herb and the fire can't die. Jah blessings flow, the herb keep we pure. The Rasta man chant, Jah vibes endure. Herbal meditation, a Jah design. Blaze it up high, make the fire shine. Zion roots. Me hear the whispers in the morning breeze. The earth a call we, me feel the ease. The mountains a speak, the rivers a sigh. Me feel the spirit of the earth, me can't deny. Them try to silence we, but we rise again. Inna the roots we find the strength to ascend. Me walk with Jah, me walk with truth. Me hear the echoes of the ancient youth. The trees them sway, the sky turn red. Me look to the heavens, me see what's ahead. The fire burn, the lightning strike. But follow the rhythm of the earth's delight. Echoes of the earth call me home in the rhythm of life. We never alone, the wind a blow, the sound so deep. Me hear the echoes, my soul can't sleep. Echoes of the earth, strong and pure. The love of Jah, my spirit endure. Me hear the whispers, me feel the flame. Echoes of the earth, we call Jah's name. Me feel the soil beneath my feet. Me chant the rhythm, me heart beat sweet. Inna the struggle, me find my peace. From the earth, me find release. Me walk through the valleys, me walk through the rain. But the earth guide me, me feel no pain. Me see the future, me see the past. Inna the echoes, my soul will last. The stars are shine, the moon so bright. We rise together, we stand for the light. Me know my purpose, me know my way. Me listen to the earth, me hear what she say. Echoes of the earth, call me home in the rhythm of life. We never alone, the wind a blow, the sound so deep. Me hear the echoes, my soul can't sleep. Echoes of the earth, strong and pure. The love of Jah, my spirit endure. Me hear the whispers, me feel the flame. Echoes of the earth, we call Jah's name. Me feel the heartbeat of the world a pound. Me hear the echoes all around. The earth speak truth, me can't deny. In her rhythm, we learn to fly. Them try to bind we, them try to chain. But the earth free we from the pain. In every tree, in every leaf, me find my solace, me find my relief. Me see the truth in the earth's eyes. The
The system a crumble, we rise to the skies. The earth a guide.